Adding a reviewer to a pull request in Bitbucket involves a few straightforward steps. Open Bitbucket. Log into Bitbucket and navigate to the repository where the pull request is located. Create or access a pull request. If you haven't already created a pull request, you need to do so. Navigate to Pull Request in the repository sidebar and click Create Pull Request. Follow the prompts to set up your pull request. If the pull request already exists, go to the pull request section and select the pull request you want to manage. Add reviewers. In the pull request detail page, find the reviewers section on the right side or under the pull request description. Start typing the name or username of the person you want to add as a reviewer. Bitbucket will suggest users based on your input. Select reviewers. Select the appropriate users from the suggestions. You can add multiple reviewers if needed. Save changes. After adding the reviewers, click Save or Update to apply the changes. The selected reviewers will receive a notification and be able to review and comment on the pull request.